my dear friends. Welcome to ArtMagic. Today, we will draw one of the most popular and healthy fruits. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a banana. Wow! Look at his eyes, he is looking at you. I know everybody likes bananas. I also like bananas. Now, we will start coloring because I love to do the color. Do you? It's yellow because bananas are yellow. I love to have a banana every day for breakfast. Do you? If yes, let me know. Eating a banana will give your brain the healthy, natural, low GI sugar needed during exam time. Plus, bananas also make you happy, literally. Let's try this drawing at your home and send me your drawing too. By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.